The buzz around the next generation of Google smartphones is already building, and the Pixel 11 series is shaping up to follow a very clear pattern. Based on recent leaks and Google's own strategy over the past few years, the launch timeline is starting to look predictable, and that gives a solid idea of when these new devices will finally arrive. For a long time, Google used to launch its Pixel phones in October. But that strategy has changed. In recent years, the company has shifted its launches earlier, moving into August. This change was first seen with the Pixel 9 and Pixel 10, and now all signs suggest that the Pixel 11 series will follow the same path. Current leaks strongly point toward a mid-August 2026 announcement. While the exact date is still unknown, there's a pattern worth noticing. Google usually holds its major events on either a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Tuesday has historically been the most common choice, but there have been exceptions where Wednesday was used instead. Looking at the calendar, two dates stand out as strong possibilities: August 11 and August 18. Both fall right in the middle of the month and align perfectly with Google's previous event timing. However, these dates are still predictions, not confirmed announcements. Before the actual launch event, there's another important moment to watch for: the invitations. Google typically sends out invites for its Made by Google event weeks in advance. Last year, invites went out in mid-July, with the event taking place in August. Following that pattern, the announcement date for the Pixel 11 series could be revealed sometime in late June or July. Once the phones are officially announced, pre-orders are expected to go live immediately. This has become standard practice, allowing eager buyers to secure their devices on day one. After that, the phones should hit stores by late August or early September. As for the lineup, the Pixel 11 series is expected to include 4 different models. These are the standard Pixel 11, the Pixel 11 Pro, the Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. All 4 devices are likely to be unveiled together during the same event. However, there could be a slight twist when it comes to availability. While the Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL are expected to reach stores at the same time, the Pro Fold model might follow a different schedule. This has happened before, where the foldable version was announced alongside the others but released later. So, it wouldn't be surprising if the Pixel 11 Pro Fold arrives a few weeks after the rest of the lineup. Now, the big question is why Google made this shift to an earlier launch window in the first place. The answer is simple: competition. By moving its event to August, Google positions itself ahead of Apple's typical September iPhone launch. This gives the company a chance to grab attention before the tech world shifts focus. This strategy also helps Google highlight its strengths, especially in artificial intelligence. By launching earlier, the company can showcase its latest AI features and innovations before competitors step into the spotlight. It creates a perception that Google is leading while others are trying to catch up. There's also a marketing advantage tied to timing. An August release allows Google to tap into the back-to-school shopping season when many people are looking to upgrade their devices. On top of that, launching earlier reduces the chances of leaks spoiling everything, since there's less time between development and announcement. When it comes to upgrades, expectations should be realistic. The Pixel 11 series is not expected to bring massive changes in hardware. Instead, it looks like a refined and polished upgrade over the previous generation. The biggest highlight will likely be the new Tensor G6 chip. This processor is rumored to be built on a 2nm process, which could bring noticeable improvements in performance and efficiency. More importantly, it is expected to be heavily optimized for AI tasks, continuing Google's focus on smart features. Alongside the main chip, the devices are also expected to include the new Titan M3 security chip. This should enhance device security and protect user data more effectively. There's also mention of a new MediaTek M90 modem, which could improve 5G connectivity and deliver faster, more stable network performance. Camera hardware upgrades may not be significant this time. However, the real improvements are expected to come through software. Google is known for its computational photography, and with deeper integration of AI and Gemini, users can expect smarter camera features and better overall results. In terms of design, the Pixel 11 series is expected to stick with the familiar look. The iconic camera bar will likely remain, but with a slightly refined appearance. Reports suggest that the camera bar could become Norty EV black, giving it a cleaner and more modern feel. The phones are also expected to retain flat sides and similar display sizes as their predecessors. However, one welcome improvement could be thinner bezels, which would make the devices look more premium and modern without drastically changing the overall design. Overall, the Pixel 11 lineup is shaping up to be an incremental upgrade. It's not about completely reinventing the smartphone, but rather improving what already works. With better performance, stronger AI features, and a refined design, the series aims to deliver a more polished experience. As the launch gets closer, more details will continue to surface, giving a clearer picture of what to expect. But for now, the timeline, features, and strategy all point toward a confident and calculated release from Google. Excitement is definitely building, and the Pixel 11 series could once again show how Google is evolving its smartphone game year after year. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech news and leaks.